Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. This video is going to be all about getting my life together because I truly go in and out of having things super organized and together and then kind of not letting it, but it kind of just gets all out of order and I get in a funk and I need to get back into the groove of things. Now, between July and October, the beginning of October, I felt like I had a really good rhythm going. I was going to the gym almost every single day, at least working out every day, which was, oh my God, I hold so much water weight and that was gone. It was amazing. I was so healthy. I was eating so healthy. Like I was having my green smoothies, which I actually have somewhere here. Put it over there. And things were like moving, like because I was moving, my brain was moving, things were going. And then Cancun happened, which was amazing, you guys. We went to Cancun with a bunch of friends early October and I was able to renew my vows. We were able to renew my vows with my husband of 10 years. It was the best experience ever. But when I got back, it took me a long time. I mean, we're in November. It took me a really long time to get back into things because my body like flares up and I've noticed that I get really fatigued and I get really tired. My brain hurts, everything hurts, and I can't figure out what's going on with me, but I know that I was going to need to put some effort to get back into things. And so that's what I've been doing really for the past like week and a half. And that's what I'm going to share with you today. Now, along that journey, I've noticed so many things. The first thing is I've noticed that it's going to take you a lot longer than a day. So all of these influencers that are getting their lives together in one full day, please share with me how you're doing it because I wasn't able to do that. I have 2 kids, which are going to probably end up being in my videos, even though I don't want that, but I cannot share what I want to share with you if they're not around. I have kids and that they're part of my life. I can't just be like, be quiet, my little 1-year-old, I'm filming a video. He truly doesn't care. So what I'm trying to say is responsibilities, being mom, being wife, doing things, you know, in between that was Halloween. And so there was a lot of things going on, but it took me, I'm here at a week and a half and I still have some things to do, but I was able to get started. So some of the tips that I have for you if you are trying to get out of a rut or at least get your life back on track, get these systems back in order, and just feel like you have a good groove with things would be to sit down and write a few of the things that you know work for you when you feel your best. So these are things like your health, drinking water, eating right, making sure that you're having like your vegetables, your fruits, whatever it is. For me, when I eat bread, I am like 1,000,000 pounds heavier, not weight-wise, but like mentally and fatigue-wise. And so I know that I need to like start cutting back on that. Other things like drinking my green smoothie, drinking more water, my vitamins, big deal. This drawer right here is my feel-good drawer, literally. I have everything I need for my smoothie in here. I have all my vitamins in here, which is actually what I'm going to take right now. I take a probiotic. I mean, I can share this later, but honestly, this really makes a huge difference. Like having what I need, and there's a bunch of chia seeds in here, but anyways, having what I need for the day. Look, I'm out of most of this, but this drawer right here is what makes me feel good, and I highly recommend that you get one, but obviously don't spill your chia seeds everywhere, so yeah. Other things that help me are exercising and getting moving. I haven't added that into here yet, but I know that's something that I need to do, even if it's just moving for 20 minutes, like watching a YouTube video, which is what I like to do if I know I can't leave the house or I'm just feeling like I don't want to leave the house. So gonna add that in there. Other things that I did plan. So November rolled around and I felt like I had my life so unorganized because I wasn't planning. And I wasn't planning on purpose. It was because we camped and I had Halloween, but I knew that November there was things that were going to happen, and so I needed to write all of those things down in my planner and get a brain dump going and really focus on what I was going to use this month to keep me organized. It felt so good when I did that. It was like, okay, I have my special dates down and I won't forget those. Okay, so I got my little setup right here. Essentially, I used to have like a huge desk and a huge office, and I really don't need that. So honestly, I just use this chair. I have, oops, I have just this little mat right here that goes over that, which is where we eat and things like that. And then I have my smoothie because I'm ready to plan. This is my little caddy right here that I can go through at a different time, but I'm actually going to sit down and plan for November because I don't have a ton of time to plan for November. I have to get going soon, so I am going to be working in my planner to just get some dates down and at least plan for the week. So I was able to get some stuff written down for November. This feels so much better to me because now I feel like I at least have some things down that are just not in my head anymore. I still need to fill out this whole, like this month, and then I still need to go and fill out all of this week, but that's okay. We got some stuff done and that's what matters. But other things are like just cleaning up around the house, because when my house is chaotic, I feel so chaotic. Like when there's just little things everywhere, I hate it. And so this week I was able to really like transition from Halloween over to fall and Thanksgiving stuff, which also helped me to start like cleaning things and deep cleaning things, and I'm still not done, but we're working on it. So essentially what we have here is the comforter and a few blankets that we're using to cover ourselves with at night, which fine, whatever, amazing. Actually, everybody having their own blanket is kind of amazing because then you don't have to tug on each other. And when I say everybody, I mean my little guy that sleeps with us. But when you have fresh sheets, it's like the number one thing I love about going to a hotel is the fresh sheets. So, but when you have fresh sheets and you have your bed made up, you can make it in the... I don't know how good they're going to be, but they were about $40. And they're 2,000 thread count, which is amazing. I love a high thread count. I would say this is not the highest, but it's pretty high. Wrinkle resistant finish, like what can you say? Pillowcases, whatever. So we're gonna throw this on, and it's always nice to get new sheets because it just feels the best. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Okay, I'm super glad that I was able to get that done. The bed is nice and clean. It feels amazing. We have some sheets under here now, which we've had before, but like when you are totally like not in the groove of things, like those are the things that go first sometimes, and so we're back on track. Other things that I did was I really took some time to just relax, especially on days when I worked really hard. I was able to just sit down and kind of like watch a little bit of a show. I was watching Tell Me Lies, which, oh my god, the show is amazing. It just ended its second season and I'm so sad that I have to wait until like 2026 to watch the rest of it. It was so well done. It's a little bit like raunchy, but if you don't like that, just fast forward because the entire thing was just amazing. So Tell Me Lies on Hulu, not sponsored by Hulu, obviously. But yeah, that was good. I was able to relax with some tea and kind of do that for myself. So we're feeling like we're in a much better place. So the main thing that I want you to take away is not to be so hard on yourself. This happens to me often. There's probably going to be more videos like this of me just trying to get my life together because again, I struggle with a lot of fatigue and a lot of like, so I'm actually going to end the video here because even though I do have some other things that I need to do, such as like really deep cleaning, the shower, the bathrooms, getting the laundry done. There's definitely some laundry that needs to get done. See that over there? That's clean laundry in buckets that need to get put away. But honestly, this video could be a million years long.